crimps on a 4x4 closure wig. If y'all want to see how I got this hairstyle, then just keep on watching, because we lit, period. Yes, I got these crimps from Walmart for only $30. All I did was went to the Walmart website and looked up crimps, and this was one of the options that popped up, and this is the one that I got. Plus, I seen it on other YouTube videos, so I wanted to try it as well. As I was crimping, I literally counted to 10 for each crimp and just moved the crimp to where I ended the crimp before that, if that makes sense. Your arm might get tired, but I was really dedicated, so my arm didn't really get tired. So yeah, I just keep repeating that process, and that's how I got these crimps. It's getting really smoky in here, so I'm gonna stop recording. I'm gonna do like half of the head, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm almost done. So it's a whole new day. I crimped the hair Tuesday. It's Thursday today, and I'm installing it today. I'm gonna wash my hair, blow dry my hair, and braid it, and then come back to y'all, and then we gonna install it. Oh yes, and not only, I haven't touched it or anything since I crimped it, and it still look the same. The front, I didn't crimp the front yet because I wanted to fit my face. So I'm gonna crimp it while it's in my head so it can fit my face. But this is how the back looks. Haven't touched it or anything. And yeah, we just gonna install this today. So I failed at trying to do the wig cap method. I tried to do it as the best as I can, but for some reason I just couldn't get it right, so I had to put on the wig without doing the ball cap method. So let's hope that my edges aren't missing when I take the wig off. But yeah, I still attempted, and y'all can watch me attempt to put it on. My braids looking ugly, but don't be judging me. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing my hair just without the ball cap method because I ain't got no cap. So can't do it like that no more. This installment will be glueless. Originally, I thought glueless was using no glue at all, but you are using some type of adhesive, just not an adhesive that is strong as Ghost Bond and other wig glues. head is so tight from this thing, like it's cutting off circulation. So I'm gonna take this off. See how my lace looking. Ooh. Took off the elastic and I'm finna do my baby hairs in a quick second. Yeah, I finally got my edges to lay down. Feel like it took me for freaking ever. Let me show y'all what we working with though. This is how they look. Lace well. Yeah, this is a final product. I think I really like it. Yeah. I really like it. It's really cute. I'm just running my fingers through it and the crimps are like still there. Stiff well. Stiff wear. Period at the gate. Yep. At first I was kind of indecisive about the top being too bulky up there, but it's actually cute. It's really cute. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and become a member of the Rose Gang. And without further ado, see y'all next time. Peace.
Baby, all night long. I'ma turn off all my phones. You know I hate it when I'm not